your kids are gonna love this all fruit popsicle recipe. It's totally plant-based, healthy, and absolutely delicious. Let's get into it. I chose 3 different fruit for these popsicles, but you can use anything you want. What I did was sliced up some fresh strawberries, peeled and diced up some green apples, and blueberries. Those are easy enough. I put them in a bowl while I got my popsicle cups ready. I also use fresh squeezed orange juice, but you can use any type of juice you want. You can use coconut water, you can use soy milk. So what you're gonna do is fill the popsicle cups up with the fruit. Just put a variety of fruit, whatever you like, but don't make it packed. You want them to be loose. You want there to be space. And that's because you need the popsicle sticks to go down all the way. If there's too much in the cup, the stick won't go down. The great thing about this recipe is your kids can help you make them. That's my toddler's little hand right there. And while she is a bit messy, it's about the family quality time over the, mess sometimes. And that's okay. You can use any type of popsicle sticks. I ordered these on Amazon, I think, last summer. They were fairly inexpensive. And look at me making just as much of a mess with this orange juice. The popsicle cups come with this little, it's like a, what do you call those things? One of those, oh my gosh, I do not remember what those things are called. A funnel. It comes with a funnel. So you can easily pour juice into the popsicle cup. And like I said, don't fill them up all the way. See that space? You need that space in there. And then you're gonna put them in the freezer for multiple hours. I think we had them in for about 4 hours. When I took them, come over here, come over here, come over here.
Please come too.
All right.
Please.
I am getting it for you. That's precisely what I'm doing. So it's good to run hot water on the outside of the thing. Otherwise, you're gonna have a hard time getting it out. Like, it won't come out without running the hot water. Do you like it? Ooh. I love it.
I love it. Hey, wait, didn't
Kid approved.